About this item: new generation A and lamp wick inside bare bulb make it more illustrious and clear enough with the same original functioning. Optimized burner design allows any burn-in position. Moreover, they show a very stable light output, as the high luminance decreases only slightly over the entire lifetime, between 3500 and 6000 H. Compatible models, fit for Epson Elplp88/V13H010 L88 Powerlite Home Cinema 2040 1040 2045 740 HD 640, VS240, VS345, VS340, X3240, X7240, X9200, X5250, X5240, EB97H, EB945H, EB98H, EB965H, EB955WH, EBS04, EBS27, EBS29, EBS31, EBU04, EBU32, EBW04, EBS130, S300, U130, W130, W29, W31, W32, W420, X04, X130, X27, X29, X300, X31, X350, X36, TW5210, TW5300, TW5350, TW5350, STW610, Powerlite W29 1224 1264 740 HD 955 WH 965 H97 H98 H99 WHS27 W29 X27 Projector lamp bulb replacement. Morse is the sole designated distributor of EWO'S projector lamps and is responsible for all product descriptions and 180 days warranty with 30 days refund testing before delivery. Excellent return service with no any condition within 12 hours feedback. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: new generation A and lamp wick inside bare bulb make it more illustrious and clear enough with the same original functioning. Optimized burner design allows any burn-in position. Moreover,